Hello guys, in this Blender video we will create a low poly first aid model that I will use for the Unity low poly game kit. So let's get started by adding a simple cube, scale it down and then extrude the top face. Okay, the next step will be to create a cross for the first aid model, so I press Shift D to duplicate the top face and add some edge loops. After that, I select and delete the faces at the corners to create the shape of a cross. Now press L to select it, then E to extrude it downwards, and after that I press Ctrl N to make the normals consistent again. Okay, then I select it and press S to scale it down. And then I snap it with the Ctrl key pressed to the top face. I have edge snapping enabled, so I move the cross downwards and snap to an edge of the top face. Nice, now I'm going to create a handle for this box. So again, create a cube and scale it down. Okay, this will be the left corner of the handle, for which I'm going to delete now the back face because we don't need it and we want to save polygons. Then I snap it to the box again with the Ctrl key pressed, and again the snap element is set to edges. Okay, and now we'll make use of my own add-on, the Fast Carve add-on. It's free and the link is added to the description, to add a mirror modifier with one click. Then I apply it and we have symmetrical corners for the handle. Then I select these inner faces, press the I key to add insets, and after that I execute bridge edge loops. Great, then I join the handle and the box by pressing Ctrl and J. Alright, and then I go ahead and add two edge loops to create a kind of ring in the middle of the box. Okay, now it's time to add the texture to the model, for which I will use my low poly texturing method. I select all faces, then I press U and choose Reset. After that, here in the image editor window I opened on the right, I scale the UV islands down and then I press the G key to move them to an area with a white background. Okay, now the white color is assigned to all the faces. Now I press L to just select the handle and then I move these faces, these UV islands, to a gray color slot. Now the handle will be gray. The next thing I select is the cross, again by pressing the L key, and move these UV islands to a slot with the red color. And last but not least, the same method for the ring around the box texturing for low poly models. It's so easy. Great, now switch to the material viewport shading to see how the colors will come out. So we are done and can move the model to the first layer, to the low poly environment, the nature scene. Then I change to rendered preview and it looks like this. Alright guys, I created this first aid model for a reason and this is to use it in my Unity low poly game kit. So in the next video I will show you how to add it to Unity and how to increase the health points of the player when he collects it. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and perhaps you consider supporting me on my Patreon to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you on JNM.